Donna AI review. Let's get started. So Donna AI is a mobile first music generator app that creates full songs, vocals, lyrics, instruments based on your vibe, prompts, or lyrics. It offers features like track length, extension, and stem separation. So what's good about it? So it has a quick and high quality result, and sometimes users report professional sounding tracks right from the start. It is also very easy to use, so it have an intuitive mobile interface with flexible genre and mood settings. So what's bad about it though is has a major inconsistency and app issues. So that suddenly started producing 30-second gibberish clips, and songs and library items disappears often after the app removal or updates, and they also have many complaints of no support or refunds. So in conclusion, is it legit? Well, yes, it works sometimes and has generated impressive songs, but is it worth it? Well, no, it is not. They have a lot of inconsistencies, they also have output collapse, and a lack of support, which makes it risky.